Today, I fulfill my Batsu game. We got ourselves a tier list right here. And I call this the PILK tier list. And today, we have our selection of ilks. We got ourselves Bilk, Dr. Pilk, Gator Ilk, Kombucha Ilk, Lemon Ilk, Orange Jilk, the original Pilk, Soy Silk, Sparkling Wilk, and Tilk. I missed one. I also have G-Filk. Please don't drink too much. No, I only have a shot glass. Don't worry, y'all. I only have a shot glass. If any of these would happen, it would only be a shot. So I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 shots. 11 shots. Oh shoot, it's 11. It's okay. I'll have 11 shots of these, and they'll be a tier list by the end of today. Okay. Wait. I think I'm a Dr. Pilk more than a Pilk person. I don't know what I expected. I don't know what I expected. It's just milk tea. It's just milk tea. Wait, oh my gosh. Okay, there's a solid, like, so let's say the shot glass is 100. There's a solid, like, 25 to 30% of, like, solids at the top. It's gaining mass. I need to drink this now. Cheers! Wait. Actually based. Hello, we are back after a small intermission. Yo, my mom was like, yo, you want wasabi? My mom is messed up. What the heck? Ah. I see. Okay. I think this has to go here. No. This is not it. Oh. Okay. No. Okay. I'm gonna put it here. Decent. It's literally strawberry milk. It's not even joking. Strawberry milk. Okay, I think it's here. Okay. Okay, so my answer here is it doesn't taste the worst. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like clam chowder. This is all my drinks and my tier list. I never thought of a conclusion after drinking all these. Thanks.